I think is an opportunity for gay people to assert themselves in a non-aggressive way, and it provides an opportunity for people who are just a little bit uncertain about their sexuality to put their toe in the water. I was very proud when some years ago the International Federation of Gay Police Officers had their meeting here, and we had 300 or 400 police officers, both men and women, marching in uniform. It was just a wonderful demonstration of how positive and how ordinary gay people are. Sad thing was that our then police commissioner refused to allow the Irish members to march in their uniforms. I thought that was very, very regrettable and regressive. The other happy memory I have is when I was Grand Marshal of the parade, and I was in open-topped or Morris Minor with an enormous rainbow umbrella. We were at O'Connell Street, being pushed by 3 stalwart, handsome young men, and we stopped on O'Connell Bridge, and a rather withered old man with a wife in a trouser suit stopped and leaned into the car and hissed at me, "Why aren't you in a skirt?" So I said, "I think, sir, that's a question that you could more appropriately address to your wife." Well, my message would be to people of all age groups to enjoy the day, to celebrate, but also, now that we have achieved so much in this country, and the battle is pretty well won completely, in my opinion, but this is not a moment to relax. We have to consider the fact that throughout the globe, the majority of countries still persecute gay people. The battle globally is really only just beginning, and we cannot forget our brothers and sisters in other countries.